Learn Hindi future. I will be.
मैं होऊंगा.
Welcome, future you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to time travel into Hindi? Today, you'll nail the future tense of to be in Hindi with the verb
होना.
We'll keep it punchy, playful, and super repeatable, so you remember it when you need it. Your goal today. Say each future form confidently and use it in quick, real-life lines. By the end, you can promise plans like a pro. I will be there, we will be ready, and more. Key verb.
होना.
Equals to be, future forms coming up. Future forms at a glance. Say it with confidence after me, future vibes only. I will be equals.
मैं होऊंगा.
You, singular, will be equals.
तुम होगे.
He will be equals.
वो होगा.
She will be equals.
वो होगी.
It will be equals.
ये होगा.
We will be equals.
हम होंगे.
You, plural, will be equals.
तुम लोग होगे.
They will be equals.
वे होंगे.
Mini dialogue, party plans. Listen in and repeat the Hindi parts out loud. A. Tomorrow, I will be early.
मैं होऊंगा.
B. Great, we will be there too.
हम होंगे.
A. Is Rohan coming? He will be on time.
वो होगा.
B. And Mira? She will be at the door.
वो होगी.
A. Perfect. The cake? It will be ready.
ये होगा.
B. Text the group. You all will be amazing.
तुम लोग होगे.
A. The guests? They will be thrilled.
वे होंगे.
Call and response drill. I say the English, you shout the Hindi. Go. They will be ready.
वे होंगे.
We will be at home.
हम होंगे.
He will be fine.
वो होगा.
She will be there.
वो होगी.
You, singular, will be confident.
तुम होगे.
You, plural, will be champions.
तुम लोग होगे.
It will be possible.
ये होगा.
I will be on time.
मैं होऊंगा.
Culture tip, and a chuckle. A tiny culture gem to lock it in. Remember the classic motivational line, Hum Hanj Kamyab. It literally starts with, we will be.
हम होंगे.
Use it as your victory mantra. And if anyone doubts your schedule, grin and say, relax.
ये होगा.
Quote. Quick quiz. Say it before I reveal it, no peeking. Q1. How do you say, it will be? A.
ये होगा.
Q2. They will be. A.
वे होंगे.
Q3. You, plural, will be. A.
तुम लोग होगे.
Q4. She will be. A.
वो होगी.
Q5. I will be. A.
मैं होऊंगा.
30-second challenge. Ready to level up? One breath, all forms. Chain them in one go, pointing as you speak. I will be.
मैं होऊंगा.
You, SG, will be.
तुम होगे.
He.
वो होगा.
She.
वो होगी.
It.
ये होगा.
We.
हम होंगे.
You, place.
तुम लोग होगे.
They.
वे होंगे.
Nailed it. Thanks from Synapse Lingo. You crushed it, future fluent you unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines daily, promise yourself progress with.
ये होगा.
And revisit whenever you need a boost. For more bite-sized lessons, free downloads, and practice drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next episode.